This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt in a yogurt maker. Making delicious homemade yogurt is simpler than you might think, and it's a fantastic way to enjoy a healthy snack. First, you'll need just a few key ingredients: fresh milk, which can be whole, 2%, or even skim, and a small amount of live yogurt culture. You'll also need your trusty yogurt maker, of course. Let's get started on this easy guide. The next crucial step is preparing your milk. Gently heat your chosen milk in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. Bring the temperature up to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. This process helps denature proteins, resulting in a thicker yogurt. Once it reaches this, remove from heat and let it cool down to between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 43 to 46 degrees Celsius. This is the ideal temperature for your starter culture to thrive. Now for the magic. Once your milk has cooled to the correct temperature, it's time to introduce your starter culture. Take about 2 tablespoons of a plain, store-bought yogurt with live active cultures, or use a dedicated yogurt starter packet. Gently whisk it into your cooled milk until fully combined. Carefully pour this inoculated milk into your yogurt maker's containers. Set your yogurt maker to incubate for anywhere from 6 to 12 hours. The longer the incubation, the tangier your yogurt will become, so choose based on your preference. After the incubation period, your yogurt is ready. Carefully remove the containers from your yogurt maker. It will still be warm and might seem a bit loose, which is perfectly normal. Transfer the yogurt directly to your refrigerator. Chilling is essential, as it stops the culturing process and helps the yogurt firm up, developing its final texture. Allow it to chill for at least 4 hours or even overnight for the best consistency. Then, it's ready to enjoy plain, with fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.